Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Auto Insider. Today, we're getting our hands on a piece of automotive history reborn, the all-new 2025 Plymouth Barracuda. This isn't your grandpa's muscle car. Sure, it carries the iconic name and that classic Barracuda silhouette, but underneath that sleek exterior lies a whole lot of modern muscle. Let's jump in and take a closer look. The first thing that grabs you is the design. It's a perfect blend of retro cool and modern aggression. The designers have captured the essence of the original Barracuda, but with a sharper, more aerodynamic edge. Check out those sculpted lines running down the sides, the fastback roofline, and the signature Barracuda emblem on the hood. It's a head-turner for sure, but it doesn't feel like a cheap copy. This is a modern interpretation of a classic. Now, let's talk about what's under the hood. Here, Plymouth offers you some choices. The base model packs a punch with a 2.0L turbocharged i4 engine, pushing out a respectable 300 horsepower. But for the true muscle car experience, you'll want to step up to the 5.7L HEMI V8. This beast delivers a heart-pounding 485 horsepower, launching you from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a blistering 4.2 seconds. Both engines are paired with a smooth-shifting 8-speed automatic transmission, and you can opt for rear-wheel drive for that classic muscle car feel, or all-wheel drive for extra grip in all weather conditions. But the Barracuda isn't just about raw power. It's got some serious brains too. Inside, you'll find a driver-focused cockpit with a fully digital instrument cluster and a large touchscreen infotainment system. It's loaded with all the latest tech, including navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a thumping sound system. Safety isn't forgotten either. The Barracuda comes equipped with a suite of driver assistance features like automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, and blind spot monitoring. So, what makes the Barracuda stand out from the competition? Well, it's a fusion of classic muscle car looks with modern performance and technology. It's not just another muscle car rehash, it's a true rebirth of a legend. Whether you're a seasoned gearhead or just someone who appreciates automotive history with a modern twist, the 2025 Plymouth Barracuda is a car that deserves a closer look. If you're looking for a thrilling ride with a touch of nostalgia, then the Barracuda might just be your perfect match. Let us know in the comments below what you think of this modern legend reborn. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more car reviews and news. Until next time, happy driving!